Hello, my name is Badar. Hi, I am Nabil. Nice to meet you.
I am Badar.
Excuse me, where's the library? Huh? It is straight ahead, next to the art room.
Do you have a spare pencil, Badar?
Yes, here you go.
Hello, Nabil. I am your teacher.
Pleased to meet you.
Goodbye, children.
Bye-bye. Farewell, dear.
Bye, see you. So long.
Good morning, Grandpa. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, Grandma. Good afternoon, Mummy.
Good afternoon, dear.
Good night. Bye, see you. So long. Good evening, Uncle.
Good evening, Auntie.
Good evening, dear.